What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're introducing an interesting new company to the channel, and that company is called dynaCERT. Now, dynaCERT is a company focused on green energy technology, specifically for diesel engines when it comes to reducing carbon emissions. As we know, this is more and more important these days with global warming, with all of the things happening. We want to reduce carbon emissions. The transportation industry is a huge aspect of the global economy, and dynaCERT is laser focused on their new technology called hydraGEN when it comes to reducing carbon emissions. So let's get straight into this video. Last but not least, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I bring you dynaCERT, and the first thing we're going to do is actually take a look quickly at the stock. So the company is traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange under ticker symbol DYA. Current market cap of around $70 million with a 52-week range of 7.5 cents all the way up to 33 cents. At the time of recording, currently trading for about 18.5 cents. That is the yearly chart in review. And as we can see, the stock has been pretty stable as of recent. So we will also get into some of the recent news and the website, take a closer look at the company, what they do for this introductory video. So let's talk about the most recent news for the company. So dynaCERT and Cipher Neutron catapult into hydrogen economy, establishing an international research and development facility in the Greater Toronto area. So the company is pleased to announce that it has concluded a collaboration agreement with Cipher Neutron to further jointly develop, produce, and market state-of-the-art hydrogen technology, including AEM electrolyzer technology, that is designed to produce green hydrogen for worldwide large infrastructure projects, and reversible fuel cell technology applied to emergency preparedness and efficient storage of hydrogen as a long-term source of power. A little bit of information. So Cipher Neutron is a rapidly growing disruptive technology company focused on electrolyzers for green hydrogen production and reversible fuel cells for power generation and energy solutions. So let's take a look at the company's website now. dynaCERT, that is dynaCERT.com, DYNACERT.com. Driving change for a better future, a global solution to reduce pollution. dynaCERT has developed the next generation of carbon emission reduction technology for diesel engines in a global market that also provides significant fuel savings to the operator. Our hydraGEN technology uses simple electrolysis to turn distilled water into H2 and O2 gases that are produced on demand. So as we can see here, their most recent news, and you can find that article with dynaCERT and Cipher Neutron when it comes to their international research and development facility. So it is nice to see a company investing in research and development and working with other companies within the industry, and that's why I chose to highlight that press release. You can also find the media tab here on their website, and they do have quite a bit of content, which is good to see. So guys, now we're going to go into their investor presentation, and just to touch on some key points to get a little bit more information about the company. So November 2022, this is their most recent presentation, a global solution to reduce pollution. Some of the company's highlights: so carbon emissions reduction technology, international growth strategy, multiple verticals, diversification in trucking, mining, oil and gas, proprietary know-how and patents, leader in hydrogen technology, carbon credit measurement, potential recurring revenue, high barriers to entry, dominant competitor advantage, compelling value proposition to users, less than 1 year payback, strong margins, and attractive business model. So let's take a close look at the hydraGEN technology, and this is patented. So dynaCERT has developed and commercialized a patented proprietary electrolyzer hydraGEN, produces measured amounts of hydrogen and oxygen gases from distilled water, delivers H2 and O2 at the air intake of internal combustion engines, results in more power, better torque, less fuel consumption, and less CO2, CO, and NOx. The hydraGEN features on-demand, no H2 storage, no pressure, and is safer with a low power demand from the engine's battery. Delivered to the air intake of internal combustion engines on trucks, mining equipment, generators, reefers, construction equipment. Less particulate matter, less black smoke, and less diesel exhaust fluid and diesel particulate filter. So some reasons why this company could potentially be an investment opportunity: oil prices at decade highs, making hydrogen compelling for users. The global economy is learning how to regenerate the impact when it comes to the recent global illness. Global supply chain is filtering through the business community worldwide. So, some emission benefits. Hydrogen lowers emissions substantially. The following results have been acquired from accredited third-party verification performed by PIT Group in Montreal, Quebec, Continental EMI Tech in Germany, and performance testing at the U of T ACE in Toronto, Ontario. So 88% reduction of nitrogen oxides, 6 to 19% reduction of CO2, 47% reduction of carbon monoxide, 57% reduction of hydrocarbons, and 55% reduction in particulate matter. So it lowers consumption and maintenance. So 6 to 19% reduction in fuel consumption, 51% reduction in diesel exhaust fluid. You also get a 33% increase when it comes to the life of a diesel particulate filter, and up to a 25% reduction when it comes to oil changes. Results in more savings. So here we have their product line. We've got the HG2, HG1, and the HG4C, along with the HG6C. 1 to 8 liters, 10 to 15 liters, 40 to 100 liter engines. So here we have the HG1 series. Feel free to pause this video at any time. If you want more information, feel free to download the investor presentation. It's right there on their website. But this is just a brief overview of the key points, along with touching on their product and showcasing it. Target markets, industries served. So here's what we have currently. Buses, refrigerated trailers, small truck, class 8 trucks, power generators, farming, construction, mining equipment, planned passenger vehicles, small marine vessels, ocean vessels, and locomotives. Now we've got the value proposition to the end user. So 161,000 kilometers. That's the average distance traveled by a long distance truck per year. When it comes to Canadian dollars, 8 cents savings per kilometer. That's savings of 10% on fuel at 80 cents a kilometer. $8,850, that's the cost of a HG1B plus installation. Return on investment, roughly 8.25 months. That's what it costs to pay back in roughly 110,625 kilometers based on savings of 8 cents per kilometer and cost of $8,850 for the install and the HG1B. Market size. So the total ICE market, that's the internal combustion engine, 1 billion internal combustion engines worldwide, 100 million new internal combustion engines built worldwide every year. The HG2 market, 20 million in North America, 40 million in Europe, 55 million in Southeast Asia, and 20 million in South America. Europe has 145 million trucks. North America has 711,000 trucking companies relying on 3.5 million drivers, 15.5 million Class 8 trucks, 36 million trucks registered for business, and 210 million trucks in South America and India. So the market is quite huge. Global dealer network. So 47 qualified dealers and agents globally that service 55 countries. And they also have the Hydrolytica app and benefits. So automated reporting and analytics, reduced maintenance costs, and multiple other benefits that you can take a look at here on the website. So some highlights when it comes to their business model. 90 million Canadian dollars expenditures to develop and design, 19 years of research and development. dynaCERT assembles their products in Toronto, Canada. Newly upgraded assembly facilities, cost of production 50% of wholesale price, profit margin 100%. Products sold through the global dealer/agent network. Dealer network ensures local sales, marketing and service, reduces sales and marketing overhead. Multiple target markets using dealer network strategy. Multiple product versions, adaptation to client requirements, continuous research and development, and maintain a market and product. Continuous research and development maintains market and product leadership. So here's some of the comparable technology. I mean, we've got trailer skirts. 90% of long-haul trucks have added trailer skirts since their launch 9 years ago. Skirts cost $3,000 and save 1% of fuel. Cost the end user $10,000 and save approximately 10% fuel, 1% for $1,000 Canadian. Hydrogen is a 3 times better proposition than trailer skirts. So here we have a breakdown when it comes to shareholders. So 6,000 retail shareholders own 42% of the company. Management and insiders own 31%. 25 institutions own 5%. Eric's brought 8%. And family offices 13%. So Eric Sprott is an investor in this company. That definitely says something. He's a big name in the mining space, and something must have caught his eye when it comes to this company. So as part of your own research and due diligence, you should always take a look at the management team, take a look at the investor presentation, and take a look at, the cap table, the share structure, and who the investors are. So this is some good information here. High barriers to entry, of course, research and development, worldwide patents being one of them, lead time. Take a look at this slide. Feel free to pause it at any time. The company has made significant progress. Once again, here's some of their highlights. And here we have the management team. It's always very important to do your own research and due diligence on the management team. CEO of dynaCERT since 2013, Jim Payne. Jim Payne is the president, CEO, and director of dynaCERT. He has been the CEO since 2013, previously CEO of privately held consulting, project management, and real estate development company. He seems very experienced along with the rest of the management team, but always do your own research and due diligence on the management team and the board of directors. So guys, that wraps up this video. For the quick introduction to dynaCERT, take a look at the company if you are looking for an interesting story in the green energy technology space. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Also drop me a like if you do like this video. Drop me some comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. That's it for the video, and we'll see you guys in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.